In this video, we will understand the difference between business logistics and consumer logistics. Although both move goods, their goals, processes, and challenges are very different. This difference is critical to understanding modern supply chains. Business logistics, also called B2B logistics, focuses on moving goods between businesses. This includes manufacturers, warehouses, distributors, and retailers. Shipments are usually large, planned, and focused on efficiency, cost control, and reliability. Consumer logistics, also called B2C logistics, focuses on delivering products directly to end customers. Shipments are usually small, frequent, and high time sensitive. Here, speed, accuracy, and customer experience are most important than bulk efficiency. Business logistics connects organization across the supply chain, while consumer logistics connects businesses directly to people. The flow structure itself becomes simpler, but the delivery expectations become much higher. Business logistics moves large volumes to limited locations. Consumer logistics moves small packages to thousands of individual customers. This single difference completely changes cost structure, planning, and operation. In business logistics, success is measured by cost efficiency, capacity use, and long term operational stability. In consumer logistics, success is measured by delivery speed, order accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Business logistics relies heavily on enterprise systems for planning coordination. Consumer logistics depends strongly on digital platforms, live tracking, and last mile optimization to manage massive daily order volumes. Understanding this difference helps define career paths. Business logistics roles focus on planning, warehousing, and large scale transport. Consumer logistics roles focus on fulfillment, last mile operations, and service driven logistics. Business and consumer logistics are designed very differently. Confusing them leads to poor systems, high cost, and service failures. Strong logistics professionals always know which environment they are designing for. To build strong logistics fundamentals, explore the LEC Foundation playlist and subscribe. In the next videos, we will continue breaking down logistics structures, operations, and career paths step by step. This is LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant.